the NovaTouch TKL, a flagship 10 keyless keyboard from Cooler Master. It comes with top-race hybrid capacitive switches with stems that are Cherry MX compatible. For those of you who wonder how does this top-race switch compare to Cherry MX switches, for example, which Cherry MX is the closest to the top-race switch, I would say it's a Cherry MX brown switch, because unlike the red and the black that are linear and the blue that has a clicky sound, the top-race switch here on the NovaTouch TKL feels like a Cherry MX brown switch. It has a slight bump as you press it, but the bump on the top-race, it's the bump on the top-race switch, it's, I would say, subtle, a much lesser bump compared to the Cherry MX brown, but it has a greater feedback. For the sake of comparison, let's hear the difference between the top-race switch and the Cherry MX brown switch. Let's start with the top-race switch. Now this is the Cherry MX brown switch. Top-race, Cherry MX brown. Top-race again. And this is Cherry MX brown. Back to top-race. And this is Cherry MX brown again. Okay, there you have it, the comparison between the top-race switch and the Cherry MX brown switch. Okay, enough of the keyboard mashing. Let's see what does the NovaTouch TKL sound like during gaming session. Okay, that's it for the video for the Cooler Master's NovaTouch TKL keyboard. Signing off, this is Brian from GoFries.com. Thank you for watching this video, and do remember to subscribe to my channel.